What's going on, guys? It's Walid. So for this video, what you're going to learn today is how to pick a model, why I picked the model that I did for my Michael Todd campaign, which was a full-page magazine ad for InStyle Magazine, Women's Wear Daily, and Allure Magazine, and you're going to learn how to do that yourself. So click subscribe somewhere over here, and let's get started. So if you guys don't know, I just did the full page campaign for Michael Todd Beauty. It was cool. It was a full page ad in InStyle Magazine, in Allure Magazine, and Women's Wear Daily, which is the Bible for the fashion industry. First of all, Wilhelmina, guys, is a world famous agency. It's iconic. You can see it's London, New York, Miami, Los Angeles. So we're clicking the LA page and I'm going into the women's. And this is how I find it, okay? So we will find models this way. I knew Vanessa Curry. I've worked with her before. I loved working with her. I thought she was perfect for this. And I pitched her to the client myself. But here we go. Here is Vanessa's page. And it's going to load up. So when you see a modeling page, here's what you see. On the right side of the screen, you're going to see their measurements. You're going to see height, weight, bust, all that. And then what we do is we scroll down and we get to see their other pictures. So I'll talk a little bit about each section and what it meant for the overall campaign. So let's go ahead and start. So why I picked Vanessa is because, first of all, she's gorgeous. I've worked with her before. She's professional and she fit the role perfectly. Michael Todd Beauty wanted to rebrand their whole campaign. So when I spoke to them, I said Vanessa would be perfect because she encompasses everything we want. She is many cultures. She is young, she is more mature, she is tomboy, she's flirtatious, she's beautiful, she has gorgeous features, and this is all the stuff that I look for. Now, the other thing I look for is I make sure that she knows how to work with her own angles, and she knows how to work with her body, and she knows how to show the clothing. So in this case, she's wearing a full bodysuit. She's able to show her beautiful curves. She's able to show that she's a beautiful woman, but she's also able to show the garment beautifully. And I love that. And I also get to look at things like her hair. Her hair is long enough. We don't know if those are extensions or if that's natural, but I know that there's enough that we could put extensions if we needed to. Then I scroll down a little bit and I see more of these bad girl vixen looks. Then I look and see that she's girl next door, all denim, she's all American. Right here, she's able to be friendly, but she's relatable. And she also understands that when you're wearing denim and she's wearing something that covers her whole body, she knows how to show you a little bit of skin without going overboard. That's a professional model. The next one with the camouflage, she is showing the full jacket, but she's able to still turn around and give you her face and body and attitude. So as a designer, they love that. They love that a model is that professional and that they think about all the different angles. And going down a little bit more, this is, you see this is a lot more subdued, but this is the mature look. This is the new wife. This is the new mom. This is the professional, possibly executive. And I wanted to show that we can have a model that characteristic also, and that she's able to be sexy on the left one and show her curves, but she's able to show full body too, and you get to see the curves of her body, and she knows how to use that without going overboard. She knows how to use that without, making it look risque, and that's important, and that's what you're not going to get from an amateur model. So this is one of the reasons why agencies like Wilhelmina last a very long time, is that they know how to pick their models. Now let's scroll down a little bit. Great. On the left is you get to see her beautiful cheekbones. You get to see her lips and her eyes. And I look also to see if a model's eyes are further apart. Vanessa's is further apart. And when you look at it, it makes a perfect triangle. Okay? Mine, I look like a slice of pizza. It's not very... So like they should be a little bit further out for the models. And so I wanted to show that she can do beauty And then on the right side is a bohemian look. Down here with the Adidas campaign, we see that Vanessa is capable of being a tomboy and she's capable of being playful and sexy, but again, not over the top. Because a lot of brands, what they do is they start looking at their most conservative populations. Will somebody in the Midwest, will they be able to handle this and not be offended by it? And so you have to look at everything, the whole grand scale of this. Going down next, to the left, you have an Adidas campaign. To the right, you have a Nike's campaign. That's so important, you guys, that they can do huge campaigns. So the fact that she can do Nike and Adidas means that she can handle pretty much any campaign. And that's the beauty. When you call an agency, you say, I need someone that's friendly, I need someone that's professional, I need someone that is a joy to work with, but also they know how to handle themselves and they know how to handle the garment and the brand. They give you the best of the best. And in this case, Vanessa is the best of the best. She knows how to give the brand what they want. And when you guys look for models, I want you guys to look at that. I want you to see, have they done other campaigns before? If they have, that's a great thing. And how do those look? Can they show you a variety of emotions? If they can, that's awesome. That makes it easier for you. So you see this one again is a little bit more mature. It's bridal shower, it's baby shower, it's just Sunday, it's brunch. She's relatable, she's likable, she looks beautiful, she still looks sexy, she looks intelligent, and these are things that we wanted because those are the ladies that buy the Michael Todd brand, and it was really important. She's real. If you look at it, if you look at her face, she's not threatening to women. She's approachable. She is not threatening. But she's still very beautiful. Men will find her beautiful. Ladies will find her beautiful. And the same thing goes with male models too. They cannot look hateable. They have to look relatable. They have to look like your buddy. They have to look like you want to date them. You want to have them as a part of your life. So that's really important. If somebody does look a little bit unlikable, that's a huge fall. Now, when you go back on top here, you see that the agency gives you the measurements. Okay, that's really important. I send that to wardrobe, hair, makeup. They look at those things and that helps them shop and buy hair extensions and clothes and all of that. Digitals is modern day Polaroids. What the models do is they go to the agency, they show up in a two-piece bathing suit, for example. No hair done, no makeup done. They just want the client to see exactly as they are. As a photographer, this is huge because I get to see how much retouching I have to do. We get to see what she looks like in pants and a shirt, and then of course the all-important close-up where I get to see her complexion. This is the best thing that good agencies do, is that they get to show us what they look like without hair and makeup. Now let's go into their social media, and I'll tell you why this is super important. I look at social media because I like to work with people that I like as people, right? There's a lot of gorgeous people, especially in LA. You have your choice. So I want to work with people that are good people. And when you look at Vanessa's Instagram, you actually get to see she's a well-rounded person. She's put up some of her work. Oh, look, the Kim Kardashian West campaign, she did that. You get to see how she travels. You get to see how she interacts with loved ones in her life. You get to see other work that she's done that didn't make her agency website. And that's so cool for us to see because you get to see them at work. And with the exception of this Polaroid, this digital here of her smiling, I want to show you why social media links are super important for photographers to look at. When you look down, come on, scroll down, a little bit seductive, moody, playful, lips are closed, mature, lips are closed, bohemian, whatever you want to call that, lips are closed, tomboy, we see a little bit of teeth. I don't know if Vanessa has good teeth or not. Nike and Adidas, the bathing suit, lips are closed. Does Vanessa have a beautiful smile? And this is where lips are closed for the Sunday brunch picture. Okay, look back at their social media. Now I get to see Vanessa in a way that her agency did not show us. So I get to see, oh my God, can she move? Can she smile? What does she look like height-wise in relation to other things in life? So let's find a smile picture, and I get to see if she has a beautiful smile or not. Oh look, that looks like a beautiful campaign. Load up. Ah, she's got a beautiful smile, and that's important. campaigns, commercial campaigns like Happy People. Here she is with her, I presume, boyfriend. Big, beautiful smile. And that, you guys, is how we picked Vanessa Curry from Wilhelmina Models Agency in Los Angeles. We'll see a link to the actual photo shoot of her working. So that's super important for you guys to see. So here are my biggest tips for hiring a model. I'm going to give you guys 3 tips to picking models. Make sure that they have taken lots of pictures, and not with one photographer, but with many, many photographers. And the reason is that one photographer can save their behind and give them a few beautiful images. If you see that they only have one look going for them, from shoot to shoot to shoot, what that means is you have a model that you're very limited with. And if unless you are shooting that exact same look, they may not be the best choice. The second thing that I want you guys to think about is, can they give you a variety of emotions? Can they give you smile? Can they give you sexy? Can they give you that stupid Tyra Banks term that we all use, smize? Can she give you that smizing that you need sometimes? Can she give you movement? So you got to look at the variety of things and see if that works for you, men and women. Number 3, make sure that they are pleasant to work with. There is nothing worse than having a horrible person on set who does not want to join the team, who does not want to be there, who thinks that they're better than that situation, who doesn't think they're getting paid enough. If they're not there, you got to cut them out. If they're not there for the goodness of all. And one of the ways that I look at things is I look at their social media, okay? You may disagree, you may not disagree. I look at people, if they have a whole lot of selfies, I try not to hire them. And the reason why is, and that goes for assistants, that goes for hair, for makeup, for wardrobe, and for models. If you have a whole lot of selfies, that means all you care about is yourself. That's it. You don't care about anybody else. When I bring a client, when a client trusts me with their vision, with their budget, with their future, everybody better be on board. And I want to make sure that you are more concerned about the job and the pictures than your selfie. I'm one of those photographers that if somebody has too many selfies, they're out. That's the truth.